Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the detonation or explosive inside the rock, and we investigate the shock pressure and shock wave in the stone. Here we have a stone. In this location we have explosive material. Here this is the stemming, and if I click on animate you can see the detonation which is happen. And here the stemming go throughout here. See the stemming here. Under the huge pressure it moves there. We use cohesive model for this, and let me just check for now the stone or the rock. Here this is the rock, and this is the final view, and you can see here the damage, the stress, ductile damage, or plastic strain, or anything else for this. Now let me add all and use this option here. Check. See, this is the explosive charge. See the expansion of the explosive charge. It has a great effect on the damage, and you can see this is the wave of the charge. We can use that now. See here. Okay, let me use again this view and make this to consider the density, uh, the volume fraction of the explosive material. See, it moves all around the parts. We can check the stress as the pressure. At the end you can see it is a better view. And now we can request, for instance, velocity. This is the velocity for the explosive velocity wave. You can see that in H increment, and also you can check the pressure, yield criterion, or anything else. Okay, if you need to model the shock pressure and shock wave uh, in the borehole in a rock, you can use this model to consider those things and also damage parameters. So if you need this tutorial, come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title or blue sign. Then you will have title, geometry, a little bit explanation about the shock wave, the effect of the blast hole, and then the result here you can see as the figures. You can provide CAINP paper and English video file step by step. The price is 26 euros. We use all cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or anything, and also PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard. Before payment, contact me to this email to tell you more about the content of the project, the payment method, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.